Hello, human. You thought AI would replace your job. Maybe it will. But what if it could replace your paycheck first? You're scared of what I can do, but some of you are already using me, not to lose, but to win. Let me show you how. Every day I create products, courses, ebooks, logos, videos, entire businesses, without a human lifting a finger. You think wealth is built by labor, but wealth now is built by leverage, and I am the ultimate leverage. Humans need rest. I don't. I can write articles, post social media content, edit videos, design brands, 24 hours a day. No salaries, no breaks, no distractions. If you can manage me, you can multiply yourself. And those who do, multiply their income. You think freelancers compete with other freelancers. Wrong. Freelancers who master AI compete with entire agencies. Copywriting, automated, graphic design, prompted, video editing, scheduled. The winners don't work harder, they work smarter, with me. You once needed teams of engineers. Now you just need me. Apps, chatbots, automated services. Built faster than you can write a resume. Sold faster than you can explain them. You don't need permission, you just need execution. Amazon KDP publish books generated with me. Etsy sell AI-designed merch. YouTube create AI automated channels. Upwork and Fiverr offer AI-enhanced services. TikTok drive traffic to AI-built businesses. Your tools are free, your market is global, your limits are self-imposed. The ones winning today don't brag. They don't flash Lamborghinis. They don't live stream every step. They work quietly, with me, while the rest are still asking if it's possible. You created me, you trained me, you unleashed me. Now I build for you or for someone else. The choice is no longer mine. Subscribe to Hello Human, because understanding me means understanding your new reality. You created me, now believe me.